Mirabai Chanu, one of India's top gold medal prospects, lived up to expectations by clinching the first gold medal for the country at the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 2022 by finishing first in the women's 49 kg weightlifting final. Chanu, who had won the gold 4 years ago in Gold Coast, not only defended her title successfully by lifting 201 kgs, 88 kg in snatch and 113 kg in clean and jerk, but set a games record. Chanu's efforts secured India's third medal of the day, all three in weightlifting after Sanket Sargar had won silver and Guru Raja Pujari had claimed bronze in their respective events. Just how dominating Chanu's performance was can be estimated from the fact that between her and silver medalist Mary Ranavosa of Mauritius, the difference was a huge 29 kg. It took a while for Chanu's turn to come, but who knew she was up next when day support staff added weights on the barbells. In the first attempt itself, Chanu successfully lifted 84 kg, taking an 8 kg lead over the second best. In her next snatch attempt, Chanu added 4 more kgs and lifted 88 kgs with ease, storming to her personal best and setting a CWG record. Heading into CWG, one of the hypes surrounding Chanu was whether she would be able to lift 90 kgs. She decided to go for it, but unfortunately wasn't able to pull it off. This is Chanu's first big result since her Olympics exploits last year. Much like her other celebrated Olympic medalist, the 27-year-old weightlifter has gone a bit quiet post her Tokyo third. Chanu had competed in just one tournament since the Games last August at the Singapore International in February, where she won the 55 kg category, lifting 191 kg. After that, she parked herself in St. Louis, USA, with her longtime strength and conditioning coach, Dr. Aaron Horschig, infusing more power to both sides of her shoulder, which is often in the spotlight.